The world will never be the same again with the launch of our new range of Aero series fans. Air Quiet was the first amongst the Aero series, where we deployed aerodynamic technology first time in the fans. Vortex creates the vibration on the blade, which generates the noise. Winglet provides a path to direct the airflow from high pressure zone below the blade to low pressure zone away from the blade. The second major development in our fans has also been inspired by aerofoil design of the aircraft wings. Aerofoil design also gives laminar flow on its lower surface, which gives high lift, low noise and better thrust. Let's have a look at Aerostorm. Aerostorm comes with a winglet in blade design to minimize the air vortex and noise. The aerodynamic aerofoil blade is designed for higher thrust and air delivery. Aerostorm is a revolution in itself in the arena of fans. These absolute rust-free blades and eye-catching spiral curves. Aerostorm is elegance and power with an attitude. Aerostorm epitomizes the unique blend of art and technology. It's time to switch to the futuristic technology, style and elegance. It's time to switch to smart.